Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Eric and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below for me, okay? Also hit that notification bell and make sure you click all to see my future uploads. So today we are going to be doing an inspired look. You already know this is like 90s, okay? I know it's 90s, but I was inspired by the girl Jazmine Sullivan. That's my girl. That's my girl. When she did, I believe it was her Tiny Desk video performance, and she had her little flippity flips and the swoop bang. I was like, yes, we're doing it. This straight hair is going to do it this time around because I didn't get to do it the last time around. So I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get right into this video. Alright you guys, so I'm just going to be starting out by parting my hair and trying to like get the structure of this style. It was actually easier than I thought it was going to be because I just never had any luck with swoop bangs my entire life. Like, it just never happened for me. Fun fact, I have triplet cousins, and let me tell y'all something. They killed the swoop bangs back in the 2000s. You hear me? And I always tried to do it, but I didn't know what I was doing. Like, my hair is really curly, and I would use gel to try to achieve that, and it wasn't working because it made my hair bubble up. It made my hair separate. But now that I'm older and I kind of know what I'm doing, you gotta use a spray. You gotta use a spritz to get the look you want. So yeah, I'm just parting everything off, sectioning everything, getting everything, and yeah, continue to watch. So for products, I'm going to be using the Murray's edge wax or wax, regular wax, I don't know, but I'm going to be using that. And I'm also going to be using the Got To Be Glue hairspray, and I'm taking the blow dryer and I'm going to just be heating up that wax just so it can be a little bit more manageable. And I'm going to be applying that to the hair because we trying to be laid and we trying to slay, okay? So that's what I'm doing here. So as far as the swoop bang, I started off, I wanted to kind of work in layers and so I can have like great results. But then I was like, I don't think I need to do this if I'm using the spray. So I did start off using that beeswax to kind of put things into place. But then I was just like, I don't have time for this. Like, let's just put the whole bang down and just spray it down and mold it that way. So you can either layer it or you can just do what I did. Yeah, so I did not know what to do with the leftover hair from my bang. I was going to try to put it up in a ponytail, but then I was like, that's gonna be like a mess. It wasn't gonna work. So I just decided to put it behind my ear, and later on I like pinned it behind the hair that was hanging down in the back. So all I'm doing now is just trying to perfect this ponytail, and yeah, like that's pretty much it. Like I think I'm just gonna leave it here because I think it's better to just watch. I'm a visual learner, so you probably are too. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so this is what we are looking like. I love how this turned out. I will say, if you want, I'm literally gonna take this out, maybe not, but if you want your curls to stay, definitely put some holding spray on it, you know, like how we used to do back in the day with the spritz. But I did not do that because I'm literally not going anywhere. But this piece won't stay down. I like how this turned out. We are giving 90s. Like, y'all know I was inspired by Jazmine Sullivan with her, I believe it was the Tiny Desk video. I was like, oh yeah, I definitely gotta do it. I've been wanting to do it since the last time I straightened my hair, but I had to literally wait until now. So here we are. We look good. Got the little flippies. Y'all, my mama used to flip my hair like this, and I used to hate it, but look at me now. Look at the girl. Okay, but yes, that's all I have for you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. I don't know what you're doing, but subscribe to my channel, share this video with a friend, make sure you hit that notification bell, and as always, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.